Mugende.
Muhammad, emotoka sera. Tera no garuka yota.
Okay, when you reach there, for example, when you bring a bus from Wera, then we stop here, we hire a small vehicle to transport the luggage. Then the passenger cross by footing to find the other bus there.
At night it is the same thing. At night at least we stop people. When it reaches around 10, there are no vehicles which are passing. Only the small vehicles.
Can't say that it is all of that good because actually people are here suffering because of this. But I've managed actually to improve on my daily income.
Genda.